This is a shitty ass angle. Oh my god. That didn't make it any better. Okay, what's up everybody? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making some banana muffins. Wait, fuck, 1 second. I'm just gonna be making some banana muffins. I will leave the recipe down below in case y'all want to make them too. Not vegan, please don't attack me. Yeah, that's it. Okay, because I'm a literal child, I had my mom help me lay everything out so I wouldn't, you know, not know how to do anything. I'm gonna be cutting this in half because every time I make cookies I make way too much and then I get like really fat when I eat them. Okay, so let's begin. I have, okay, it calls for half a stick of butter, so I have half of a, wait, no, it calls for 1 stick of butter, so I have half of that in this bowl right here. And then I have some bananas. It calls for 3, so I have what's half of 3? 1.5, 1.5. I'm gonna be mashing them with this fork. This recipe calls for a mixer. I hate that I just said calls for. That was kind of really obnoxious. You know those people that just like, okay, I'm not even in the frame. The reason why I'm baking today is because I had a shitty day. Like so freaking bad, and I'm sad. Reasons why I'm sad are I had a bio test today and like I didn't think it went well, but I thought it did like okay. And then towards the end of the day I was talking to everyone else about like how like they answered certain questions. And then I realized I did the whole thing wrong. I'm baking to get rid of my frowns and sadness. Last time I was really sad, I made cookies and they kind of made it better. So usually when I'm sad, I either sleep, cry, do more work, or on the rare occasion I'll go work out, but like that's literally not happening. Exercising obviously is probably gonna help, but like my ass is not gonna go out and exercise. Like, do you know me? In a large bowl, beat butter and sugar until creamy. Bitch, I'm gonna have to beat it with my hands. Where's the sugar? Found it. I love being incompetent. Get this good angle.
Okay.
Okay. You don't like my face?
Bueno.
You made it. Here's the current stitch. Also, look at what it's supposed to look like. This bitch is supposed to look like this. Add eggs and beat until light and fluffy. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I have to add eggs. My one brain cell. Ready for this finesse? Oh yeah. I literally just washed my hands with water. I love salmonella. Okay, now I'm gonna pretend that I'm a hand mixer and in the kitchen wrist twist it like a stir fry. Then I'm gonna take the mashed bananas. Oh my god, this looks so gross. 1 1/4. You know, baking required math. The frick? 1.25 divided by 2? 0.625. That's a really inconvenient number. I'm gonna go with 1 and 2. Huh? 1 2/3 is like 1 and 1.66666. I think that's right. I don't know. I'm like not the greatest at math, if you can tell, so. Wait. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Wait, no. 1 cup divided by 2 would be just 2/3. Oh. I already had math class today, so like my brain isn't really functioning that well. Also, my brain is not wired to do math. Fuck. I need to preheat. I might turn it on. Oh. Oh, okay, I have to do it again. I'm thirsty. I don't know why, but like this packaging is like really unsettling. Not to be like a review, wait, no. It has to be like, whatever. That's so funny. Oh, I bet this shit is so loud because that oven is getting really loud. I hope you don't mind. Yo, She on X Games mode.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Spooning this batter into these bad boys. If you can't tell what they are, literally go get a brain. Doesn't taste good. Okay, not to get all sad and emotional or anything, but school literally makes me want to cry and like die. It makes me so upset, and like certain classes really just I'm so bad at it. But my favorite class recently has been algebra because my teacher is so nice and she's so like forgiving. Like sometimes I literally just can't do my homework, and like I tell her like I'm sorry I couldn't get it done, and she's like, oh don't worry, like just get it in my next class. She's such a G, you know. But besides that, school really been pushing all my buttons recently. All right, I'm gonna be putting this tray into the oven. Oh wow. The bad boys are baking. My camera needs to charge, so I'm gonna charge her, and then I will be right back when these bad boys are done. Oh my god, they're gonna be so hot, right? It's too heavy. I'm gonna drop it. What? Here's what they look like. My mom just took them out of the oven for me because I'm a little pussy. Okay, they pulled off. They're my mother approved, so hoping they're good. Tastes like banana bread. Oh my god. It's so good. I'm so happy.
Today we're gonna have a mukbang of banana muffins. Oh, this one. It's turning really dark. Oh, in the shot. Can I eat it now? They're good. These are so good.
I actually say that just to be nice.
It's like banana bread. It tastes like banana bread. I'm in love.
Okay, thanks guys. Final verdict. I think you should definitely try making them. Even without hand mixer, they turned out like extremely delicious. Not to like toot my own horn or anything, but they're really good. Yeah, just like call me Rachel Ray or whatever, but I'm super happy. They turned out really good. I'll leave the recipe down below. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below because that really helps. And even if you didn't like the video, just give it a thumbs up. Just help me out here. And I'll see you guys next time I post another video. Bye!
And do you wonder it happened so fast? I try my best not to get stuck into the past.